Welcome to our exciting drone showdown. Today, we're comparing two fantastic mini drones designed for beginners and kids. The Velcase drone with camera, boasting a stunning 1080p HD camera, and the Symrex X300C mini drone, featuring a 720p HD camera. Both drones come with a range of user-friendly features, including foldable designs and multiple flight modes. We'll dive into their specifications, highlight their pros and cons, and summarize key reviews to help you choose the best drone for your needs. Let's get started. The Velcase drone features a high-definition 1080p camera, allowing for stunning aerial photography and videography. In contrast, the Symrex X300C comes equipped with a 720p camera, which, while still functional, does not provide the same level of detail and clarity. For those prioritizing image quality, the Velcase clearly takes the lead. When it comes to flight time, the Velcase drone offers an impressive up to 26 minutes of flight with its two batteries, making it ideal for extended play sessions. On the other hand, the Symrex X300C provides a respectable flight time of up to 18 minutes. If longer flights are important to you, the Velcase is the better option. The Velcase drone stands out with its advanced features such as gesture control and voice control, allowing for a more interactive flying experience. In comparison, the Symrex X300C offers gravity control, which is also fun but lacks the versatility of the Velcase's controls. For tech-savvy users, the Velcase's additional features may provide a more engaging experience. In conclusion, both the Velcase and Symrex drones offer excellent entry points into the world of drones. The Velcase shines with its higher resolution camera and additional features, while the Symrex is a solid choice for those looking for portability and affordability. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting drone